My name's Gigi, and I'm 5 years old. I have a dream that someday the world can be green inside and clean inside. Happy New Year! I'm going to teach you to make the healthiest juice. I'm going to put a speck of mint, 1 lime, 3 oranges, 2 handfuls of cranberry, and it's going to be called Gigi's juice.
Fire up the juicer. A cranberry explosion is coming your way.
Well, isn't that a new color? Ah! Run away! Run away! I'm gonna pull up my sleeves so they shouldn't get messy.
It's a great idea. And you can just pour those in if you want, sweetheart. Some cranberries might fly out of the juicer. That's okay.
Now I get why they call it cranberry explosion. Because they did it before.
And once everything's juiced, stop your juicer. Open up your agave. And pour a teeny bit in. Just a little, sugar monger, into your juice.
Right here.
Into your juice.
Tell me when this.
That's good, that's good. No more. Say thank you for watching. We'll see you next month with a brand new recipe.
Thanks for watching. See you next month with a new recipe. Thanks for watching.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Last thing you do is stir it, pour it.
Go ahead and pour it.
I'm going to pour it here. And a Happy New Year!
Take a sip.
And then just take a sip. This is the first juice I give double thumbs up.
Cheers to your health.